Confluence Query Language might seem like a search language intended solely for advanced users. But what if I told you it's actually one of the most powerful tools admins can use to transform the Confluence navigation experience for everyone in their organization? Let's face it, every team organizes content differently, yet they're all stuck with the same basic navigation bar. It's cluttered, static, and rarely helpful. Instead of the standard Confluence sidebar, your team could be using a custom website-style menu at the top of their pages, complete with drop-downs, icons, nested menu items, and links that are actually relevant to the work they do. And each user group can have their own version of the menu. Marketing sees blogs and social media content, while sales sees playbooks and sales enablement material. It's clean, intuitive, and far more helpful than the default setup. This kind of personalized navigation is made possible with the help of apps like navigation menus for Confluence Cloud. Circling back to Confluence Query Language, instead of linking to static pages manually, administrators can use CQL queries to start smart filters that pull in content automatically based on who the user is, which labels the page has, the space it lives in, or even if the user is mentioned on the page. I, personally, often have to review content on pages I'm mentioned on. The following CQL query would help several product marketers like myself with content reviews. Once you've defined a CQL query with the extensive support guide from Atlassian, enable the CQL toggle for a menu of your choice and input the query. Now, whenever the end user clicks on the icon, it instantly shows a personalized list of pages that need their review, based on real-time updates and their individual mentions. So, why choose CQL-powered custom menus over shortcuts in Confluence? Admins can create different menus for different teams, instead of forcing a single navigation structure for all users. These menus automatically update as content changes, while shortcuts remain fixed. CQL-based menus dynamically pull in the most relevant content, reducing the need for manual updates. And unlike the static sidebar, custom menus can include categories and nested items, making navigation more intuitive. It's time to stop relying on inefficient, basic search methods, and instead to turn Confluence into a tool that supports productivity rather than hindering it. To get started with a free trial right now, you can find navigation menus in the Atlassian Marketplace. I've already got all the links you'll need in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.